Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We have got a drop-dead gorgeous car for you, a 1969 442 convertible, body off frame on a rotisserie restoration, and there's a 4-speed sitting there between those bucket seats. This is a rare and desirable car. Code 51, Twilight Blue. This thing is just amazing. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study over 100 pictures top to bottom. And that's where you find prices on over 200 collector cars that we offer for sale. Go to volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, that way you're notified as the new ones are posted. But right now the top is down. Join me, let's go for a spin. Yeah, just like it sounds, the body was removed from the frame and then it was put on a rotisserie, a big giant metal rotisserie device, so they could flip the body over and work at it from every angle. The bottom of this car is literally concourse restored. The floors are all smooth, clean metal, all painted black. The entire chassis was disassembled, stripped. The frame was powder coated, and all the suspension was rebuilt. And this one has the rally suspension. That's the front and rear sway bars and boxed rear control arms. But all the components, the bushings, the ball joints, the tie rod ends, the center link, shocks, springs, front and back, all of it is redone and all of it is detailed. It's all painted and smooth and nice. It has a beautiful shiny gas tank, the straps, the sending unit, the fuel lines, all that's new. The brake system's been completely restored. Brake lines, hoses, the e-brake assembly is all hooked up. As a correct Gardner exhaust, they make reproduction of the original exhaust. So it's the exact same specs. I'm sure it costs more than just going to your local exhaust shop and having one made. So it's a correct dual exhaust system. You look up at the motor, it's spotless. Bottom of the motor is just immaculate. The starter's rebuilt. The actual VIN number of the car is stamped down on the side of the motor. You can see it easier from under the car looking up. It's the VIN number match motor. It's an M21 close ratio Muncie 4-speed transmission. Also looks like new. All the brackets and shift linkage, all of it looks fresh. The drive shaft's restored. It has a 12-bolt rear end with a 391 posi gear in the back. It has new bearings and seals. So you got a 4-speed with a 391 posi. This thing's going to be a lot of fun to drive. Then they went as far and put all the correct stickers and assembly line paint markings. If you look at the picture and you see like yellow dab of paint on the spring and a tag over here, those were all purposely put there to duplicate just as how it would have looked rolling off the assembly line. Now, the body is in excellent shape. It's straight, it fits beautifully. The gaps are all real nice. It's smooth all along the bottoms, no question about it. I did find if you're super critical, because this is a high-end car, so I'm looking at it with a critical eye, like there's a tiny, tiny dimple right here. You'll find a minor imperfection here or there, but overall it looks probably better than it did new. You'll only find an imperfection if you're looking for them. You only find a couple. The original color, code 51, is Twilight Blue. Metal flake is laid out evenly. It's not blotchy, and it has a glossy clear coat finish. Now you might have caught on, it has a ram air hood. They didn't have ram air hoods like this in 69. That came out in 70, but it fits right on here just the same. It looks great. Them big scoops with the white stripes. It's a great touch, so he did put that on the car to dress it up. All of the chrome's been redone. You got the emblems, the bumper, all the trim, the hood locks, the grills look like they're new. Marker lights, all the stainless trim is straightened and polished. All this trim is straightened and polished. Any chrome is new. Antenna, the mirror, the handles, all that's redone. The SS1 wheels, gorgeous. They're new with redline reproduction tires on there. You got a little bit of the red in the Oldsmobile centers right there. What a gorgeous touch. It's a black convertible top. The whole top frame was repainted, new weather strips, new pads, new top with a glass window. New emblems, tail lights. Look how the flared exhaust tips come out right through the bottom of the bumper. That was on the 442. And I'm being careful to say 442 because I call it 442 and people leave their comments. Beautiful trunk compartment, all clean metal with a nice gray spatter finish paint. The jack assembly is restored. There is not a spare. It does have the jack. So it does have a new well liner, the new correct Oldsmobile trunk mat, new weather strip, new stickers. It does have a trunk light. Looks like new wiring harness. So it has a 400. It's 350 horsepower. That's what they came with. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. Beautifully detailed. This engine bay looks like it's never been started. The engine is stock, the manifolds, the valve covers, the air cleaner, the brackets, even the correct GM hoses and clamps and the shroud, the stickers. It looks brand new. The heat riser tube coming up off the manifold is there. It even has dated spark plug wires. It's a manual brakes, manual steering. It's a muscle car, remember that. Has the right rubber flaps on each side of the radiator. The interior is all redone. Nice new carpet, new cushions in the seats, all new upholstery, new window cranks and handles and armrests, all new door panels, beautiful door jambs, new sill plates. The whole dash area is restored. It has the rally gauges with the tick-tock tachometer. It means there's a clock in the middle and the tach is around it. Has an aftermarket walnut steering wheel with the Oldsmobile center. It's got new blue seat belts. The center console looks brand new. The chrome is gorgeous on it. It has 442 right on the chrome shifter handle. I never seen that for a Chevelle or for a GS. I've only seen it on the old 442s. It says it right on the chrome handle. Up under the dash, all looks like new. The interior lights all work. Visors are new. So it's just a stunning, stunning car and a rare car. Correct spring clamp battery cables. The battery's bolted down properly. Has a Delco battery topper. Wiper motor looks like it's restored. Washers are hooked up. Yeah, it's got more of the assembly line markings. But anyway, I think they made 11 or 1,600 4-speeds all together. How many of those were in a convertible? How many of those are Twilight Blue? Now, how many of those have been rotisserie restored like this one has? So there you have it. Absolutely drop-dead gorgeous car. That's my impression. Go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact our salesmen. They'd be happy to help you. If you have questions or concerns, please ask them. They can also get this delivered to your driveway, and they can help you get it financed as well. It's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.